Hey everyone. This one is going to be about I stand in my truth and power. I stand in my truth and my power. I stand in my truth and my power. Okay. A couple of big things going on in my world and with a few of the people really close to me at the moment. And it's really challenging to find that space where we just stand in our truth and our power with love and light and just allow that everything's going to be okay. You know, it's sort of trusting the higher self, trusting the universal consciousness, trusting our God essence, our God light, so that we know that we're going to be okay. We're going to be okay. Okay. I stand in my truth and my power. I stand in my truth and my power. I stand in my truth and my power. And once again, the same flower essences from a few days ago showed up. So I thought I'd see how many drops. So Boab again, that's for family beliefs. 9 drops. Now 9 drops is about genetic stuff or inherited stuff or karmic stuff. But in other words, it's more than just you. It's more than just me. So 9 drops is about holding, it's holding on to the belief systems of our family and adjusting your life to make yourself feel okay about it. But we've got to live our own lives. We've got to be our own people. We've got to feel comfortable in everything we think and do. We can't allow our families to control how we think and how we act in the world around us. So 9 drops of Boab. Let's have a look at the amygdala. Yeah, pain and punishment. So really holding that pattern in there. Family can really mess with your mind, can't it? You know, we think we have a belief about someone comes in and knocks away your ego, knocks away your goals, knocks away your belief system. This is just going to be a real little shorty, anti-clockwise over the heart. Let's hold the ESR points, emotional stress release points. Just get that energy flowing. I stand in my truth and my power. I stand in my truth and my power. I stand in my truth and my power. The other flower essence that is fringed violet. Yeah, right, 10 drops. No wonder they showed up again. So fringed violet is about old traumas that are stuck in your aura. They're stuck in your energy field. They're stuck in your cellular memory. So it's stuff that has created a schism between where we would have gone, our trajectory in life, and where we could have gone with our trajectory. So releasing the old traumas that are holding us back from standing in our truth and our power. I stand in my truth and my power. There's some real rage and anger in underneath that. I stand in my truth and my power. I stand in my truth and my power. Beautiful. Okay, so everything going on in your life, let it go. Let the energy flow. Let in the love and light. Let in the God energy. Let in Mother Earth energy. We're going to be fine. We're going to be fine. Take care. Have a great day.